Hello, welcome to Highlife Guitar class. My name is Daniel Boateng. Today we are going to look at how to play Highlife Guitar Gospel Praises Part 2. If you missed our Part 1, click on the link in the description below to get it. So without wasting much time, let's begin. Alright, today what we are going to do is this. We are going to look at begin to play the praises. I hope you have practiced the finger exercises I gave you. Today we are going to look at some chord progressions in order for you to learn to play your praises guitar. All right, so you are going to look at do, so, fa, do, like that. Okay, that's what we are going to do. Then we will pick up a song, then we will learn to play. Okay, so let's look at this example. Check both hands, especially the right. I am at C. Check the right at C, then go to J, go to F, come back to C, J, C, J, F, C. Very slowly for you. We are beginning at C, J, F, C. Once more. So I want you to look at this, then practice this, then we pick a song, then we practice its chord progression. Well, we have done so much, but before we continue, hit on the subscribe button and then check the notification so that you will be updated anytime I upload a video. Your comment is needed, your shares, and then your thumbs up is needed. Let's continue. The song we are going to learn to play its chord progression in a praises form is Ye Yehovah, Ye Yehovah, Ye Yiwa Ye, Ye Yiwa Ye Kamfo, Udina Ye Kamfo. Amen, hallelujah. One thing about praises is that you must be familiar with the praise song that is being sung in the church. Then after knowing the praise song, you must be able to play the song in its sofa notations. All right, so Yehovah. So if you are able to play the song in its sofa notations like this, you are good to go. You have learned the finger picking. You play a little bit sofa notation, then you play a little bit finger picking technique. So the song is like this: do, mi, do, sol, la, ti, do, re, fa, re, mi, do, re, re, mi, know by now you are familiar with the do, re, mi, fa, so, because that is our the musical language, the musical term we use. Okay, so let's take it once again. Do, mi, do, la, do, mi, do, so, la, ti, do, re, fa, re, mi, do, re, re, mi, re, do, la, so, do, re, mi, do, re, ti, do. The second verse, mi, fa, so, mi, fa, so, mi, fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, fa, re, do, re, mi, re, do, la, so, do, re, mi, do, re, ti, do. That's the surface of the song. So in playing this, Yehovah, you are here. Let's look at the chord progressions. So Yehovah, you are here. Yehovah, F, waye, Kamfujin, Woody, F, E minor, Do, C, J, C, Mississippi, Ye, C, Wa, J, E, Wa, Ye, Yehovah, Ye, Kamfu, Udina, Ye, Kamfu, Amen, Hallelujah. These are the chord progressions. Finger picking. Yehovah, 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 Ye, Kamfu, Udina, Ye, Kamfu, Amen, Hallelujah. Again, Yehovah, 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 Ye, Kamfu, Udina, Ye, Kamfu, Amen, Hallelujah. Yes, ha, ye, di, nyum, tu, Yudi, Kokrona, ye, Usi, say, be free, Amen, Hallelujah. What I want you to do is try to learn to sing the song first. Learn the song, play in sofa notations, play in chord progression, and then you play in finger picking, so that your lessons or your studies will be in systematic order. Okay, good. So like this, Yehovah, 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 Ye, Kamfu, Udina, Ye, Kamfu, Amen, Hallelujah. Simple like that. So then you must learn how to play in sofa notation. After being able to play like this, then you try and then sing and play in chord progressions. Yehovah, Yehovah, yeah. Yehovah, yeah, kamfo. Wodina, yeah, kamfo. Amen. Hallelujah. Yes, imha yedinyum yudi krona ye kusi se ye be free. Amen. Hallelujah. Now you have been able to learn the chord progressions. Then you go to your finger picking. Choose a metronome, being 80 beats per minute or 90 or 70 at your own pace. Then you begin. All right. So Yehovah, Yehovah, yeah. Yehovah, yeah, kamfo. Udina, yeah, kamfo. Amen. Hallelujah. Yes, imha yedinyum tu Yudi krona ye kusi se ye be free. Amen. Hallelujah. Now, I will encourage you to try this. It is an exercise. You have to do these activities I have given you. Until this note, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button. Leave a comment if you don't understand anything. Just give a comment and then share the videos. Give a thumbs up. We will meet another time with some little embellishment in your praises. We will add some little embellishment during the praises. So we'll meet next time. Thank you.